What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a debt payoff plan with Bright. Creating a debt payoff plan with Bright is simple and effective. All you gotta do is start by linking all your credit cards and loans to the app so that you can see your total debt, your interest rate, as well as the minimum payments. Bright analyzes your finances and suggests a customized payoff plan, choosing between popular strategies like Snowball or Avalanche based on what fits your goal. Set your monthly budget for debt repayments, and Bright automatically schedules smart payments that prioritize reducing your balances faster. You can track your progress in real time and adjust your plan as your finances change. With Bright guiding your payments, stay motivated and becoming debt-free feels achievable and stress-free. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.